For your first offences, you'll serve custodial sentences, consecutive, not concurrently.
Who's that? That's him. He's the one with the skin so shimmery. He's the one with a smile that'll turn your brand new plants into old Ming Dynasty. Golden touch, but he didn't want to show no love. He didn't want to put that work in, that right there, that shows no guts. You don't want to skip that cue, you don't want to rush that brew. You don't want to tell no one that you're weak in the middle when you speak is too. You just want to be that guy, live that life, get that yatty, lay that pipe, put that cash in your hand, draw that line in the sand, believe your hype. I never see the pit when you ain't posing. I look down your nose at me, same hole that you poke coking. Same Friday, keep stoking. My Donny, that's a weak slogan. That rock there, keep talking. Them boy, they can't test, and I done told them. How much did you pay for the pumped up chest and the big bag of shoulder chips? You can rock a mask on stage, we all getting old and shit. Old and shit, we all getting old and shit. You can wear a mask on stage, we all getting old and shit.
Should've just gone KFC.
Yeah.